Anti-Corruption Commission don connive with police, social welfare and NACSA for fraud disable of the rights.
With NACSA's officials and facilitators of this scheme. For those who went as beneficiaries, some were given 10,000, 30,000, 40,000 as the case may be.
As coronavirus frontline health workers and they cry for the weekly allowance, governments don't say they don't spend over 5 billion loans for buy 30 SUV motor car and 100 motorbike for fet the sick in the country.
This and other plenty things stand in the basket for tell you. No go no side, we dey come back just now.
We are don't come back today for can talk about things where they happen. Are we on sweet chat salon? I know we we live for do them bad things them. We they feel a most alone. I know we are. Famul. Mina Ali Sisi. Mina Usman Justin. This na you yard. Once a plenty thank you to the one that will subscribe to our channel. And we don't like, comment and share with video. And we want to say plenty thank you. So una we get the patience for go na YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, click with video them. Burn una credit for support we watch with video them. Who tell una plenty thank you. If you just to join me today, we want to say do ya press the subscribe button and then you press the notification bell. So anytime we post the video, you will be amongst the first people then we go get with video them.
Yes, subscribe. You always the watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All waiting you get for do, press this red subscribe button and then you come over here and press this bell. So the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you the support we for make we do more. Thank you for we don't help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.
Welcome back. This na the program we had. We're responsible for giving an update about we country Mama Salon we had.
And inside this program, we can always look at things them where they come out na the mainstream media, the social media, and then we do proper analysis into the issues and the way they come out of the day. So today, we don't get plenty things them we don't come up. And we ready for give proper analysis into all of them things there so.
Same way so, we get Abo Abuena, the resident minister North. We're going to Abo and go tell the Bo people they say, let them not abide to the rules where they put for observe the coronavirus fight. Before we go into that, let we enter inside anti-corruption quick and come back.
The government of Salone, inside the fights for the coronavirus, don't they do plenty things them for help people and we poor and not able to get the anti-mort when they do lockdown. The first 3 days lockdown, we see outside the government give disabled people the money all over the country. Well, the second lockdown, they been do the same thing because the president been put 4 billion euros for give to the people here. And inside the first lockdown, they spend less than 2 billion euros. But as the shape they go on, we understand say, people them, na Makeni, been they complain, but the way how they shape the money. As AYV been quick for put together a report. Plenty of una go don't see them, but if you not don't see it, una watch them quick when they come back just now.
NACSA officials on the pretext of being rightful beneficiaries to this scheme. 250,000 was given to each passerby. However, a huge chunk of this money is left with NACSA's officials and facilitators of this scheme. For those who went as beneficiaries, some were given 10,000, 30,000, 40,000 as the case may be.
Me, they don't give me a whole loan.
How much they give?
Nah, 40,000 they give me.
But you be collect the 250,000.
250,000 collect a bulk one. Then pull the 210 I then pull. The 40,000 I then give me.
What that pull and they?
The woman no sabia, but in there inside where they come on and they call you, go inside and lock the gates.
Oh, okay. The money you back now, so then do you?
Yeah. Look at the
Where the money we then give you?
Look at.
How much money you collect?
250.
Now you collect, they don't can give 40,000. Why? Why you think they didn't do so? So you okay about that?
Then call them, say camp. Who do you know them? Let them contact.
Mami no, who no sabi. Yeah, no sabi. Mama no talk la, no sabi.
Oh, na call number they be call if you can't collect this money for the hair?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now maybe they pass, one will call me. I don't know nothing. What do they go on? So why they pass? Now I say, hey, yes. Why they pass? Now I say, hey, madam. He say, better they are down. I say, hey, I said, they are not pulling me. I said, because you're the money. I said, me picking them there. I say, I'm not going to let you. Now I say, go no more. I'll go to this one. I'll go back to you. Now I say, go no more. Now that I let the plastic. From there now, I don't know what they inside. What they know they inside. I don't know. So now we go. So go. One lady there now the veranda room. Now I say, na me mama in name, they call no. I say, now difficult to wait. They say, now call him mama in name. Now I say, no, na mama in name, they call. So now they to line. Any no matter they call it to line. Any no matter they call it to line. Now they go. Go. I didn't call 4 people make it 5 now me. So now they didn't give you the money. How much money? 250,000. You understand? So when they don't give the money now they make as I they come up, now that woman call me. That's actually that in now he call me. I didn't take the money now they contract 250. So when they call the money, now that people take 30,000. He take the 210,000. Now I say, my mama in name now for call. I said, yes. I said, I doubt so because my phone number now left me. Now complete. You understand? Yes, I complete. So now the man say, when I go, now we go. They call me 4, making 5 now me inside the palace. Now this was the palace. So still back now. I said, this is difficult to me when I go give me 10,000. I said, me I know. Now they say, not to me your name. Then put it. You cannot just go answer for person. Yes. I made them call you. I'm not telling you say they go assist somebody. Say for go answer the person number because I need register. You don't understand. Now I say when I don't me tell me. I say no for don't do that day. I say because when I don't go make I don't go take the money. I say na me you lock.
Wetin happen? We see them give una money, but wetin happen?
40,000 I 250,000 I got no 40,000. Yeah, I got no 240, 247, 210.
So how you feel when they do this to you?
You know, Papa.
So would I be call you? Would I be call you? Because I'm a Munadi. Okay. Would that not be Muna in this community? Beatrice Kuruma confirms that the disbursement done in a regional office was well coordinated.
Well, as you now see, what you don't display on the screen. Basically, people and they take other people we're not concerned by these benefits outside, when they're not so disabled even, then they come inside and collect this money. Then when they send them people for go take this money, they wait now though. As you come out, they can't give them the money, then they take the 210, you will go take them, then give 40,000. Where this benefits now for disabled. At the end of the day, they disable them. We forget this benefits, then they perish. They don't able to get this benefits at all.
You know what in the money for this particular thing? Then say this money because they know say money nothing when a devil, plenty corruption can come inside it. Then put different people for able for monitor this. You get anti-corruption commission.
Anti-corruption commission.
Anti-corruption commission staff the day. You get social welfare because the disabled people and they under the social welfare, then they get the disability commission representative where they. Then you get the police.
The Sierra Leone police.
Where they. So all of them one there, they at this particular place for make sure say then they make ladies money reach to who that is supposed for each. But it's surprising. For the anti-corruption of all. We be done the talk and say, who that they watch anti-corruption commission? Who that they audit the auditor? Now the question is now, who that they watch anti-corruption commission? Well, now the people that don't tell me say then they watch anti-corruption commission. Because for anything we do, then the pull and do. But this is painful. You don't go and tell person say can't take 250,000 the way not be the dream of. A come out, you go take, I don't know, not till some money come out to. Then at the end of the day, say, nah, mama, you go sign for ya. Take the 40,000, you not be daily. Let me take the 210.
Salon.
The corruption. When we done, we say the politician then. We say self-responsible for the kind way how the country they go backward. How on earth you go do you company water man so? Then say for who that poor, not able to forget things where they go eat for that 3 days where they lock down. You go take them, you benefit yourself like that day. But they say they investigate, anti-corruption say they investigate their staff, internal investigation.
Well, the painful part of it, who that they do the investigation?
Anti-corruption.
Anti-corruption when are the daddy for investigate what they think they are. They're not involved into this. And the stepdaddy, when for help anti-corruption, for investigation at the Sierra Leone police, they're involved into this. Who that they do the investigation or who that they give you reports?
Well, I want to say I trust anti-corruption. You know, inside any side, you get the good one, you get the bad one. Who wants to do associate for a camp and something? I get the good side, I get the bad side. You get the good side, you get the bad side. So let's take and say anti-corruption go investigate, then staff.
So if you trust anti-corruption, you want to tell me, say, let me trust the police? You know, force me to that. May I just left and so.
Yeah.
You know, Famuda they laugh, but it's very painful. You know, waiting for Muhammad, let them give Muhammad. Waiting for Moses, let them give Moses. But let something not come out, let's say that for you, at the end of the day, you get a name outside, say something don't come out for you. So there's somebody there out there who will help you. But if they look into this offer where they say they can't offer you, say, no, Aliu, I'm not fit to you again. And then 2 days I go collect something. At the end of the day, this thing not reach you. It's really painful.
This make I go back to the first distribution. The first giving and giving people their money. We be hearing the boss for NACSA say, then give Veronica bucket and other things for make sure so you keep yourself safe. But the disabled people, let me tell you, say they don't receive the Veronica bucket. We get a discussion there, but we've been saying no, maybe not to all man get, but now we don't begin to say certain game in the play, even inside Freetown. So me, I get a suggestion where I want to give to the government and anti-corruption. The whole process from the first distribution, where they shape them money there, take to the second one where they investigate to. I would want for the anti-corruption, look into all of them things there, so look back, go into review the one whole thing and see who side Yuki don't play, because I know say Dabawi Yuki don't take place inside this whole thing here. So do ya let me know waiting they go on and waiting don't scatter.
Okay, Famulem, let's not waste time into this. As una don't hear anything una think, una go put in our comment section below. Now we move to Abu Abu, the resident minister north. We move and go tell the both people let's let not abide to the rules where them put for observe the COVID-19 fight. As you know, Abu Abu, to start with, now a minister where they don't suspend recently. You know? And then we understand, say, as they suspend you, therefore take you personally, and then number one. You don't forget no way for any government movement. If you sit down at your corner and wait if then they call you back or they know they call you. But same way so many people, and this man when Abu Abu, we understand, say they not take in pass. Or maybe he moved because he belongs to the present government. He gonna go, as we all they talk, we all they hear, we all they see. This COVID-19 waiting, they do now the one old wall. Abu Abu move now, we all see the video, but for you we not seeing it, let we watch it.
One back. One country. One country. One country. One country. Paupa. Salon for better. Every cancel. Every cancel. Every cancel. Every cancel na word.
this na the video as we all don't see am. But I know say some people go to talk say I no hear Abu talk anything.
Well, then say action they speak louder than voice. Wetin we mean? You no need for tell we say they don't shoot post and shoot animal. The information na end they go. Or you no need for tell me say I shoot 10 posts in the way you do right now. People must don't see. So action speaks louder than voice. Yeah. So basically, what they say, Abu go na bo and not use face mask. Then say social distance. If for they 1 meter apart from each other. Abu not even get 1 inch apart from the one they always been there around them, including the security officers that way been there with them. Let me watch what the Abu be they do. As he been try for shake people and then one by one now the different side the way they go. Let's watch and quick when they come back. We be don't say but just take note of them. Well, you don't see him. Abu what he do? He shake 2 young man the hand. You see? 2 young men and I shake at the same time we meet them. Abu been very happy because at this point in time, if you don't use bad word them, now the one on social media, every side they don't see them.
Threatening remarks.
I think that if you respect your family, you think of your family, you value your family name. By now, you for the sit down and they think waiting will be the next thing and say, hey God, I don't do bad. Let her apologize to Salon people them. But you go see say this man not get no sign of remorse inside him. Instead, he then a street, they make toko cantine, he then a street, they show say na ina the ababa.
Welcome into this way just talk say Abu need for Sidon and think say he don't get threatening remarks to the people of Sierra Leone, to the people of Ion community where he go threatening. This remind me back, some people now they talk say Abu the action where he go do, where the president come out and get a suspension. Some man they go and say, this way Abu they do, since he not able to sit down and place, he still they move where they on suspension, meaning the president aware of what Abu go talk. But he come and suspend Abu for let he pick full the people of Sierra Leone say, he take action over what Abu go do in the community.
Well, I think for me, I think say Abu not just regret all waiting he do. And not regret them at all, it still they do more. And as far as he's concerned, in the hero now, in a real hero, they make boast, they walk on the streets.
Na buff case, I can do anything left.
They get drunk, they told himself where they walk on. Yeah. But we go say waiting will happen.
Nothing no get for happen, no achieve on that.
No, well, I don't want for say nothing no go happen. I still trust the president.
Well, anything will happen na camouflage because don't show to this.
But wait, not to Abu no more, not they observe social distance.
But I tell you, now the way they press on Abu and they smile, even with Papa, we own Papa, when are the president, he don't do the similar way Abu they do so during Ibade.
Not to that, the last show you now this picture quick. Even AOC, the one the way they talk before this thing, then say 1 meter away from each other. Watch this picture. Look where Solomon Jamiru and Awol Thomas, they're very close inch. You see Jamiru in hand with Awol Thomas in hand?
Yeah.
Very close to each other. So you see, what's the social distancing? I don't know. But anyway, they say do as I say, don't do as I do. I think it's 19 salon right now. 19 salon, coronavirus. Poppy no they respect the social distancing. See, for God's sake, Poppy can't crowd self with him picking them in wealth anyway. Look how lengthy now.
Nobody no get face mask.
Look, not only face mask. Look where they near. Look where Poppy with Mama First Lady, Poppy. You know. Look the picking they all.
You know, waiting with all the kind of way then they do. They way they before pan government business. How then they will convince the people of Sierra Leone say coronavirus is real in the country?
May people don't believe say coronavirus they are big, una just believe. The government is telling me say, do as I say, don't do as I do. So please, una just respect that, yeah?
Well, family, let's jump inside another issue. We're very serious. My brother, you know, say people they die every day. People are waiting up front of this coronavirus fight in the country. Then they cry for the salary. But if I tell you what happened, you not go believe. You know, say all this no money we big one they waiting now before the government business. Instead, then look to them people and then cry. Then go ahead and go buy dear motoka them. Where it be say, not to them people where they go test people them. Where they die, where they risk their life, they get there. Now them one the way they sit down inside AC, they bang them every day and night. Now they get forget them motoka them.
This make our level touch inside Emerson. Quick one. Emerson say if some man not die, some man not go better. The one that where they die right now upon the corona, where they say they die by the corona. Now them be the sacrificial lamb for let some man better. The one that will not be the sidon and AC mutuka. If fear say in fear go down. Now they sit down there.
What?
The one them where they go risk their life. Now the corona treatment center. Then the cry say they not even get sight for sidon.
Because a lot of challenges. We need rain gears. Yeah. You know what they do now. Everybody entitled to a phone. Then give everybody phone. Yeah. They not give you phone there. They say 2 to a phone. So reject that because of cross infection. Reject that for that. We seen there.
Where you done? Where you done for side? Good morning. Now today we don't strike the entire country. They not pay no health workers. They eat surveillance. They not pay. They not pay lobby. They not pay psychosocial aid. So we now today don't make 1 week 15 days. 1 month 14 days and 15 days. They not pay it. Understand? So I don't see that today no they work.
Today all this gone through today. No work for gone. We do service them, especially because 1 month and 15 days today. But we start this work here up to now. Laboratory technician, especially now the frontline worker. Now we collect specimen them before the contingent and operate. Yes. Because whenever we not collect the sample, they're not going to analyze them again and operate what the country will give to the people. So all about lab technicians, them nobody knows receives salary from the tailpool. Yes, all over. Yes, fine.
Nurses, so isolation workers, all laboratory technicians, all frontline workers, 50 days they not pay. So today only, if you not good money. Corona, me all see alone and get out. We don't stop today.
Don't stop today. No, really gone.
Now get zero. Now get update of zero today because you know they work today.
As we talk, Charlie Maroy, because this will not work for 1 month and 2 weeks and 1 day for the frontline workers there. The frontline workers there, nobody 1 month and 2 weeks and 1 day. They be say na a risk allowance any week is they pay 1 million. Since then, they not pay none of with the frontliners there. COVID, you get me, sir. We don't talk and say, what the work. So if you see no pay today on day, we know they work unless they pay money. When they pay money, they continue the work, sir. If you not pay, we know they continue the work.
Yes, but today they don't pay. We know the work. They go sit over there and talk. Say they pay people every week 1 million. They lie. They tell the public lie talk. Who they are with the suffer, even for giving food, you know, easy. What I say for the drink. When I can't see yourself sit down, all come out to collect so I can go on with the sit down. When I can't see the environment of the we'll be there, we'll be sit down one vegan for the every day. Now that I want to mango stick today. When I can't testify for myself, it's not a team. When I can't use no more today.
Yes, but this is very unfortunate. Right, and as you said, it's unfortunate. I think the strongest pillar in any medicine na laboratory, and anything they do in quality, it start from sample collection,
down to the analysis before any treatment come out. So the people don't take we serious. They don't really take we serious. From within inside EOC, the pulling out, make we not reinfect, cross-infect them. And now that we don't come outside, we say they're not conducive for we at all. We see the BR. They don't talk to all kinds of, even communication, simple communication. Nobody talks to us. As if we are chaps or waiting. So we want to tell people, say, this message make it reach the president and all in other workers that these swabbers, where they collect samples, thousands of samples, lab technicians are not even considered, right? So we don't even know what will happen. If we are not considered, then we not feel say we don't in any capacity for doing anything. Now we life that we don't lay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Me, Mr. Journalist, I just want to let you ask the people then, that big one there. If we not the picking them, they go ask you as a professional for the Sidona ground where would they work? They're not serious. I swear to me, God. I mean, I don't want to talk to myself now. Individual I want to talk to. Let me only so. Me now individual I want to talk to. Not to Mike I want to talk to.
Honestly, we are very disappointed because if the president make a give an order, say them for the pay emergency health workers the way they front line, then from the time where the president make a proclamation, say them for pay we. Can you imagine this deadly virus where we play with day and night? We are not even considered. Where you can't watch the place, so they can't put we for Sidon. It is very deplorable. We are very disappointed, and today if we not give them money, nobody know the work. Yes, because then take them picking them, then keep them at house, then 10 people picking them for go die. Then they pay we, then even WhatsApp for the king, then they give we. No food, no water, no money. So until we get all waiting to we need to work.
Samalia.
As colleagues they don't talk, the condition at this place where would they? Even the environment conducive. We say we sit down. We be the sit down EOC na the main EOC under canopy. Sometimes in April. It just come out from the military say we not for Sidon at that place again. Outside for Sidon, they not give we conducive place for Sidon. They say under Mangotique. Where you can see under the Mangotique, they be dirty. You know, not a place for Memotaman Sidon. Now we even don't can make we don't make a bit decent where we will catch the small because we love the country where would they work for. We really no they expect situations where they happen to, like even we ask for communication. When we talk of communication, we ask for top up all the other pillar like surveillance. They give one phone, they entitled to one phone each. When they come to lab, they tell we say we for B2 to a phone. We self reject them because of cross contamination. So this thing it go on very gradually. We try for find way for iron then things are out up to now. Where would they gonna feed? At times they give 5,000 use for do call and across communication would they do for call clients, colleagues and other co-workers there. At times 10,000 use that they give we not even enough. Would they use your own pocket money for do calls there? Where we don't talk say at least let them give we if not 30 or 50,000 use per week. What would they top up where we would do calls? That it fall on deaf ears. Where we come to even the logistics at least with the gas supply of the PPEs, but even the supply for hand sanitizer, na very serious challenge. No. We not go talk now. We dey na the rainy season. The rain gears and we don't write all we challenges. We don't forward that to the pillar lead. No address. Where you come to payment of risk allowance is a very serious challenge. From where the president make it possible, they announce and say that for pay individual frontliners 1 million per week. Then the food allowance will be 60,000 euros. Up to now, is nobody not receive a single cent. So we seldom become disgruntled really. We don't say from today onwards, we not collect no swab, and even the lab not go conduct no test because only when we collect swab, now the lab go do test.
where then they don't work till the entire outside for Sidon, they not get them pass them go Sidon on that thick na ground.
And they say that they clear themselves, now they clear the dirty.
Yes.
The construction of the Sidon, the soldiers they move them, they say, not to the place for Sidon.
Then at 34.
Of course.
But apart from all that, the government not say, we don't hear them don't concern there. Let me go make and do a makeshift structure quick for them people there. Let them able for get somewhere them go able for they relax, where they don't work at least, let them come and get cool out where they relax. Instead they say, the one them where they right, where they put in their pockets, let them get more cool out for thief no money, let buy no to car for them.
This is really money. We don't know how they go. We don't know we don't know how they go. We don't know how they reach.
A money for the ordinary people them. But you know money for the one that within a position of trust.
Of course we concern for the ordinary people them.
They would carry they find no.
And they find today.
I beg.
Push more to carry.
Let me listen to Emma sing quick when he come back.
Fellow Sierra Leoneans, do you wanna give me 7 minutes of una time? Wanna give me just wanna ask them 7 minutes and wanna concentration. Do you for 7 minutes and listen to this message where are the Kangyonam? It's sad, it's pathetic, and it's shameful when I see this constitutional instrument, a paper where this government, the Gazette and try for, I don't know if they don't approve on a parliament or not, they don't send it yet, I don't even know. Because I don't know what in parliament they do right now. But me fumble them, this constitutional instrument where how for handle the money for fighting this coronavirus. Then put on this the Public Procurement Act of 2016, Act number 1, and also the Public Financial Management Act of 2016, Act number 13, in order to apply. That means this president or government, they spend this corona money, nobody not going to check them. By law, now what they want to do no more? They not get additional government laws them, agencies them, we go for look into this. So the Public Procurement Act of 2016 and the Public Financial Management Act now apply. It's a shame. It's a really, really shame when I see things like this. Now, so they were similarly, sometimes last year, another one where they send a parliament say, where the president be travel abroad, in money way be travel with, nobody, and they're not for check them. The similar thing they do for this coronavirus fete. This is Ramadan. I just don't cut fast. It's about 8 p.m. on Tuesday, May the 19th. Why they left this message. I really want to wait because a couple of days ago, I left another audio about the unseriousness about fighting this coronavirus. A time like this when people they suffer in this country, all over this country. And when they see this government, they try for push things they say they're not liable until then we lost their way govern we now this country have for audit and how they for spend this money. And that brings me to the report where I don't get where this president and government don't spend about 20 billion leons. About 20 billion leons. When about $2 million United States dollars. I repeat, because some people when they can listen, they make an ask for a loan, I give me an ask them, and more I give me a concentration. This government don't recently spend about 20 billion leons, when are 2 million United States dollars, for go buy 30 jeeps. motorcade, and then 100 motorbikes for comfort this coronavirus. Me fumble them. No, it's sad. It's really sad. And then Jeep Leana Pajero, when all we know within a Mitsubishi, for goodness sake, to strong motorcade at all. This company, where they na ECOWAS State will win this bid, we don't know. Because look right now, they say they're not for go through the procurement. They don't go, the Ministry of Transportation give them the award. We don't know how, if they advertise them, how we don't even know. This venture, I don't even know the name of it. Now, foreign name, the company. You know, I get an idea, my family. If I have to pronounce myself, I don't even know. It's just sad when I see this government, they do things like this. You know, I don't say we get money for flow effect this coronavirus. You know, we know they pay with frontline workers there, with nurses there, with medical officials there. I just left an audio, but we get money for spend about 20 billion leons. We're not $2 million, United States dollars, 20 billion, about that. Close to 20, now kind of 19 billion something. For make them use for go buy them Jeep there, like say, now then, you know, the people, even the people who are in quarantine, people who are in isolation centers, they know they get food, proper food, they know they get care what they need. But we get them money there for patrol, get for buy petrol or diesel for them, for go up and down, per diem and all that in there. But the people, we really need the help. We know they give them. You know, I can tell you now, my family, I really want patient and wait after Ramadan. But when I see the report there, it pain me. It really, really pain me. I feel sick. And I'm really sick. I'm really sick and tired. How much people, government want take, the president want take we, the people, for granted. Believe me, they go do that. But Mohamed Kamaremba Mansare, they in this country, they in Sierra Leone, they continue the best I can do for help for fight this coronavirus. I not ask president for call me to do my best. I not ask government for anything. Me to do my own best. People know all over this country what they do. But let government take ownership, responsibility for do what they need for do. The people are suffering. The people are hungry. The people are tired. The people are complaining, Mr. President. The people are really going through a dear hardship, excruciating hardship. And the mouth forget this message to you. Mr. President, wake up and smell the coffee. Wake up and smell the coffee. I don't tell you, there's not enough time. Would I approve this thing? Which procurement act? Mr. President, you, don't they say the fight, we defeat this corruption of this country. I applaud you. In one thing, really, honestly, not too long ago, I do an interview na this station na the United States. I applaud the president. One thing, why I applaud him, where a sitting minister of education, deputy minister, and senior officers them, they push them out for me to investigate thoroughly, me to hold them accountable for rest where they take. That was a big step. We know they see them much na the politics of Africa, especially Sierra Leone. I applaud you for that corruption fight, but look at that. When you don't take 1-2 step, then you go back 4-5 steps backward. You know, when you've been dismissed, Alpha Timbo and in deputy ministers, I applaud you for that, honestly. Because I know it takes God for take those decisions. You know, because thank you for blaming you, saying you government, but you take that. That was a good thing. So you don't take a 1 step up and then you don't come back reverse. When I see, so I urge you, Mr. President, for instruct you, Attorney General and Minister of Justice, for withdraw this gazette, this constitutional instrument where they want to make a sense. So please, they act there for day. We all get for check and just condemn, totally condemn for spending about 20 billion leons, when a $2 million for buy 30 vehicles and 100 motorcycles at this time. Very sad. I thank you all for listening. Una share to friends and family. May God bless you, and Ramadan Mubarak of an hear from me again by God in power. After fast month, una go hear from me, and may God continue for bless with Sierra Leone. Mina Mohammed Kamaremba Masare. Goodbye.
I tell you G20. Done. But right now, as we dey talk, plenty people them go the vex, go the twist face. Now one thing I know in this particular term, this particular system, the only people them where they talk, now the one they wasting at me party, and then they say na the Bashim. But the ordinary Sierra Leoneans them, where we call them swing voter, where they middle not take any party put on at the aid, then they just think of Salome in Goa before. They know the way out and they think right now. But I will tell you this. You get certain people where they talk, they get their own interest for them party or for their own personal interest. But it's high time we Salome people know what we they do. We really get to know what we they do. If not to that, I'm afraid though. I'm afraid.
Me brother, salon today, not to salon yesterday.
Salon today, not to salon yesterday. Oh, if not lie, let me check out the history. Salon today, not to salon yesterday. But again, Emma me tell me say, yesterday better past today. This song here, I can tell you say, it's not the ever old. You know why it's not ever old? Because when this government, the way it come out, they already come, in the past, they already did. Yesterday better past today.
That's not the worst.
Waiting at the worst. I not talk say that worst too.
Na sneeze, I sneeze.
And the old gifts no pan corona.
Salute for me.
This is painful. Painful. I think we get for make sure say the leaders them lead by example. But then can normally say, who that get power not get idea. Who that get idea not get power. But I don't know again, even the one who get idea the time when he not get power. When he gets the power now, all the idea then they lost. What's the problem?
And because they know they copy fine thing.
That's not the copy because they don't say they get the idea all.
Salon government officials them, they know they copy. Not to say they know they travel, then they travel, then they come overseas. You know, there is one music where the same MRC been talk say, he better let the peep now window.
They sit by the window.
They need for the peep. But even though they peep, they use the door for come out and see, they know they copy fine thing. This not in the pain win of that country. It doesn't mean they don't know what for do. The only thing then they do are willfully because they don't care, but that layman, they don't care, but I'm away dance for yesterday.
You see, I'm not caught you, sorry. But caretaker, the same way he been there in London, we see an inside boss, you know, the kind of crepe where they wear, the kind of clothes, all of them struggle in the way it go through. Yeah? It get that kind of passion, the same way not be get power, say, the people them really don't suffer in the country. The poverty don't stink by the people in the country. So me want for can change the situation in there.
When caretaker be the talk na the 2018 presidential debate, all the things them will be the common caretaker in months. I be so happy, hoping that when it take charge, it implement them things there. As you measure, where it be day over here, it load na boss, it see the kind crap where they wear, it know how you layman they suffer. So if caretaker don't get the seats today, it maltreat and marginalize people them na the country. Myself na a great surprise to me because caretaker know it in a sufferation. You know, it just I don't know, it just baffled me the way how caretaker they go between now the country. Well, my brother, I can't kill myself. But as we always tell you now, we not the tired for talk. Although it be say, we are done there, where this side do bad, you talk, the other side, you na party. When the other side do by the talker, you turn enemy back, the other side take you. But who they talk? The things them, who feel say, it not sweet with people them. Any day when they come up, we dey give notice to una with people them for make una know. Today on program, now here we dey end them, and not forget for subscribe, give it thumbs up, and left your comments for tell you what you think, but what you can present to you. Me when they talk to you, as una always know, me na Usman Justin. Now here the left una take care and stay safe.
My name is Ali Sise. Still, let we know say coronavirus dey around, and the government is try for tell we say nobody contact. I mean social distancing and all. In as much as the leader them, not the lead by example, but please let we try as best as possible. Let we do everything right so that Salone will go before. And because I know one thing, just you don't say bye bye, but I know one thing. I know say this government gladly right away coronavirus car. You know what it make? Because it don't be serious excuse for say we belong to try for make some gains, but the coronavirus na can reverse we back. Then na get for day out till the election. That election talk na get for Boko, so na get for ready for that day. In as much as people be don't say they don't fail before ever the election, they can, but still na that day yeah we get for the area the coronavirus. I don't know what to make you cancel alone because you don't can set bad name when the election because you name get for the fly.
Koro baby.
Koro. You name go for big. You Koro. Mama Koro. Papa Koro. You don't form. Anyway, I just remind you that no more for saying that they get for takeover. Until we meet again, my name is Ali. Say God bless you. God bless we all. God bless Salone. Stay safe. And make sure say you do the right thing. For make Koro not can hear you.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for we don help we for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.